can get by, but I don't even know how to feel about it. Feel about it, how to feel about it. No, I don't even know how to feel about it. Feel about it, how to feel about it. No, I don't even know how to feel about it anymore. Longing back to the days that we shared. Remember how we felt, and your touch was like there was nobody there, like you loved nobody else. Yeah, I wish I could turn the time back. I miss it more than anything right now, but something tells me I should be aware. But baby, how it felt. I want to decide now. The sooner that I get to find out, the better I can get by. But I don't even know how to feel about it. Feel about it, how to feel about it. No, I don't even know how to feel about it. Feel about it, how to feel about it. No, I don't even know how to feel about it anymore. How to feel about it. No, I don't even know how to feel about it. Feel about it, how to feel about it. No, I don't even know how to feel about it anymore.
What are you thinking? You're about 100 feet away. Breathe out and breathe in, and be brave. Positive thinking, a little closer every day. You'll find it within, you'll find it within. She might feel the same. Get out there, get your shit together. Then you can say at least I've tried. With the first step, move on up, don't let it slip. You're the one who writes your script. We stumble and we fall back on our feet from the first step that we take. It's always something, there's always something in the way. Million excuses to take, but once you get there, it'll be worth that little while. It's better to try and fall than not to try at all. She might feel the same. Get out there, get your shit together. Then you can say at least I've tried. With the first step, move on up, don't let it slip. You're the one who writes your script. We stumble and we fall back on our feet from the first step that we take. 100 feet away, I've never been closer. The daydream every day as I'm getting older.